of the Fairey Aviation Company. And as you can see, it's a beautiful, big biplane. Black and white stripes, ladies and gentlemen, are in celebration or commemoration of this year's 80th anniversary of D-Day. All Allied aeroplanes that were in the operational area had those big black and white stripes painted on them to avoid friendly fire, shall we say. They can stand out. Ladies and gentlemen, the Swordfish seen throughout the war by the Italian and the German Navy. This machine was designed simply to kill warships. It may look antiquated, it may look lumbering, but it's exactly what's needed. Over hostile seas to track, find, and put a torpedo in the water. And wreak havoc. In November 1940, the Swordfish became world famous. 21 of these biplanes effectively took out the Italian battle fleet at Taranto Harbour. And the way they did it in such a manner that the Japanese were inspired to conceive Pearl Harbor. Going in low and slow and dropping their torpedoes, the enemy anti-aircraft fire remarkably could not get a bead on them. The havoc they was exceptional. And then in 1941, it was a Swordfish that put paid to the Bismarck. Its torpedo only just clipped the mighty battle cruiser, but it clipped it sufficiently to disable the rudder, allowing the Royal Navy to finish it off. This machine was built by Blackpool at Sherburn in Elmont in Yorkshire in 1941. It carries the markings of an 820 squadron, Naval Air Squadron. Swordfish, that's what was involved in the attack on the Bismarck. Back to allow even sailing. Both are through our volunteers, Glenn and Paul. Fly together on commando configured weapon-seeking helicopters. They've crewed the Swordfish over the years on and off since 2011.
So you get one here.
Pilot Glenn these days flies the 750 squadron.